are safe and fine. This is Palak Sharma and this is your favorite Hinauchi Sangvi and welcome back to my channel. Ta-da-da-da-da! So in today's video, we are gonna do the bombs challenge, which is invented by Palak herself because she's too smart. So Palak, please do the.
Thank you for the lovely tarif you've done of mine right now. But okay, so bombs challenge is basically body of soul and mind, where we are going to test each other's. I didn't allow you to have my coffee.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm not even asking for your permission.
Okay. Anyway, so in BOMS we are going to give dares to each other, which are going to test our body skills, our soul skills, and our mind skills.
Which you don't have.
Thank you.
But in addition to the bombs challenge, the twist is that we are also gonna have a challenge of invade your privacy. So basically, we have some dares written in the chits over here. We're gonna pick chits. Jo bhi dare aaya, we have to do it, and the person who wins the dare gets a chance to invade the other person's privacy by asking the most weirdest questions that they ever wanted to ask. And in the end, the person who loses most of the dares has to do another dare. I mean, तुम देख रहे हो क्या situation है? मतलब हारो 4 बार बाद में वापस एक dare करो. Anyways, guys, without wasting any much time, let's get started. हम तुम्हारे लिए इतने सारे dares कर रहे हैं, खुद की privacy दाव पे डाल रहे हैं. I hope that you all can at least like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe because I really want to complete my subscribe count by the next month. So yeah, let's get started. So just because Palak is my mehman right now, I am allowing her to pick the first chit. Feel lucky. God bless me. You had planned to pick it.
No. Okay. Make a pyramid from cups using the mouth only.
One cup. So the question that I want to ask is, what is the most childish thing you still do?
The most childish thing that I do is that when I wake up, I'm very cranky. Sometimes, not every time. Like things like this. So then I actually call my brother, and my brother takes me piggyback, and then he takes me to have coffee. There are times when he puts me in the washing machine also.
What?
Yeah, just
In
because
the washing machine?
Yeah,
Do
because
you even fit?
no, I don't fit. मतलब ऐसे वो छोड़ देगा अंदर. Then बस.
Okay, from the piggyback directly landing.
Yeah,
होता
directly
है.
landing inside the washing machine. Like दिमाग को धो लो type.
Huh. Now I know that if she's cranky, I have to put her in the washing machine. Okay, let's go to the next dare. Whisper cards game. What's that?
Okay, Whisper Cards is a challenge where I will have a deck of cards on the table, and one after the other we're gonna whisper, that is फूक मारेंगे हम, and
Okay.
उससे हवा से वो cards उड़ेंगे. At the end of the whole thing, जो सबसे last बंदे से सबसे last नीचे का card फूक से उड़ जाएगा, that person will lose the game.
Okay, so if there are 3 cards, then I have to make sure that I blow only 2 with
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Okay, let's start. So let's start the whisper card blow game. So I'm gonna start with you.
Right?
I think we should change the challenge and keep it to किसका नहीं उड़ रहा है उसको हरा देना चाहिए. Do? देखा, यही है. We should keep it that only. अबे पूरा का पूरा नहीं
I did it purposely. I'm tired of.
Yeah. Okay. So we would want you to tell us what is the last thing you have searched on Google, and it has to be a question. It can't be a shopping site.
I need to actually check my Google history. Is it compulsory to wash the tie-dye t-shirt after doing the tie-dye? Was the last thing that I've searched. In this phone.
Such abla nari she's behaving, no?
Now, which is bigger, flush or full house? For the third day, pick a chit fast. Let's make it quick, man. What a loser. Huh? Huh?
Okay, this is fun. This is something that I can. It's catch the pencil challenge.
What?
Yeah.
So she told me to get a lot of brushes. Apparently she told me to get a lot of pencils. But considering the fact that मैंने 5 साल से पढ़ाई नहीं की, मेरे घर पे ज़्यादा पेंसिल नहीं है. Paint brushes है. Explain your dare, please. I don't understand.
Okay. So catch the pencil challenge is as such कि हम 2 पेंट ब्रशेस, ideally pencils, हमारे palm के ऊपर रखेंगे इधर. And I am supposed to throw them. ऐसे पकड़ा नहीं गया, but basically
And catch it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. अगर नहीं पकड़ा, जैसे अभी छूट गया तो मैं आउट हो जाऊँगा. And every round we are successful, you have to add another paint brush.
Okay.
ठीक है?
3. Yeah. 3. No. Copyright आएगा, गाना मत गा. No, what is this? It's not even standing here. 3, 2, 1.
First is now. चलो, we'll do
Can we
one.
just try? हाँ.
Now we'll add 3.
3, 2, 1. I lost the real life. 3, 2, 1. How did I lose? One more. How did I lose? ये बोल रहा था उल्टा दिखाना. Wait. 3, 2, 1. तो वो तो पता चला आज की जगह बस. और अब
निकल यहाँ से. Okay, so since you have behaved and started becoming like a YouTuber and doing so many videos, इतनी खुशी की बात है.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो the point is कि since you're making so many YouTube videos, why don't you tell us a funny incident that people who watch your videos do not know what happens in the background?
Yeah, totally. So I have like 3 incidents and I would really want to share. Every time I shoot a video, 2 minute का video लिया नहीं, my iPhone pops up saying iPhone storage full. Nonsense. 2, the most embarrassing. So there is this video which was Gifts for Him Part 2, which had all the different brands. Now in order to have the pronunciation properly, every single brand I've literally, gone on Google, typed pronunciation of Allen Solly. Then वो 5 बार बोलती थी, मैं I used to like, Allen Solly. Solly नहीं है ना जी, Solly. The third one is West Side का shopping hall पूरा shoot किया था मैंने. After that I completed the whole editing. ठीक है, it was like a year back. Smart Hinanshi Sangvi thought that InShot में editing चालू है, गैलरी में से तो delete कर सकते हैं, storage full हो रहा है. So Hinanshi deleted the whole video, like the parts of the video from the gallery. Then she went on InShot to save the edited video, and InShot says, sorry, but few of your clips are missing, so your video is gone. Not literally.
इसलिए देखो बोलती हूँ थोड़ा टाइम और स्पेंड किया अगर मेरे साथ थोड़ी अक्ल इम्पार्ट होगी तेरे में.
Hence, I had to shoot that video completely again. I cried for 2 hours because I lost that video and did a stupid mistake in life. But thanks to you all guys, I've learned a lot. Huh.
So now it's my turn to pick the chit. There are 3 chits in the bowl. नहीं ये वाला नहीं. इधर इसमें तो ये वाला लेते हैं. Which says
It doesn't say anything, it's a blank chit. It actually says lick water from the bowl, which is my idea. So I'm going to explain. Basically, the bowls will be filled with equal amount of water. We'll have 30 seconds. We have to lick the water. ठीक है, गिरना नहीं चाहिए. एंड में 30 सेकेंड्स के एंड में जिसने सबसे ज़्यादा लिक किया होगा, जिसका वाटर लेवल कम हुआ होगा, दैट पर्सन विंस. गिरना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि वाटर लेवल ऐसे करेंगे
तो बेसिकली तो अपनी एक्चुअल जेनेटिक मोशंस ऑफ बीइंग अ डॉग.
That's the way. Oh yes. Yes. And you all love dogs. I know a lot of girls be like, yeah, doggy. Yeah, that's Ananshi. Let's start. Water levels are equal. 2, 1. नहीं बोला start. 3, 2, 1, start.
पीना नहीं चाटना है.
It's over. Stop.
No.
Mine is less.
कुछ भी.
See.
सेम है.
See.
सेम है.
See.
सेम.
भाई क्लियर दिख रहा है. भाई
मैं जीत गई, मैं जीत गई, मैं जीत गई, मैं जीत गई, मैं अचकता हूँ, मैं अचकता हूँ, मैं अचकता हूँ.
Tell me your top 3 weirdest habits.
ओके. फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, मैं थेपला के साथ जैम खाती हूँ. That's one.
Now that's exactly where we have to make that reel which says what? What is this?
Sociopaths.
Yeah. Sociopath wala. Follow me on Instagram. Say.
Follow her on Instagram.
अरे bro, say the other 2 यार.
Okay. So हाँ, the first thing is थेपला जैम.
All the Gujaratis over there, please.
Second weird thing would be that you know हम सब लोग कुछ ना कुछ.
Second one I know that she wakes up every morning in the washing machine. Sorry, what?
Anyway, so the second weird thing is कि हम सब कोई ना कोई show देखते हैं and we have something that we relate to ना. Like let's say for example anybody who has watched Friends, they'll how you do it and they were like it's Joey.
Yeah.
So for me it is very weird because I relate to Kim Party from Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
Who?
Yeah, there's this character called Bakka in Tarak Mehta.
Or did you say Bakka?
No, Bakka is his name. And
Okay.
then he does this Kim Party. There are a lot of stickers also.
That's exactly how I go on, like OP. That's how you go on, like
Yeah,
Kim Party. Okay.
Weird habit that I have is that I like to smell bread before eating. तो मतलब like if you get a loaf तो अभी वो garlic
So you
वाला
would
बना-
just go like.
Yeah, because it smells nice.
So you do that,
Yeah.
like.
Not like a dog, but I like smelling it. Alright, so last challenge for the day. Let's get into it.
What is it?
We're going to do the plank challenge. 1 मिनट के लिए हम प्लान करेंगे. देखते हैं कौन पहले गिव अप करता है.
Plank challenge for 1 minute and the twist is कि तुम्हें कोई योगा मैट या कोई जिम का कोई इक्विपमेंट नहीं मिलने वाला जो तुम प्यार से करो, बीच में उठ के पानी पियो. ओह नो, डायरेक्टली ऑन द फ्लोर. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So 3, 2, 1.
Hey, you can't join your hands. You can't. Look up, that's how the plank. It's down. Look up.
She gave up. I won this round also, boys. So my question to you is, what would you do if you are the opposite sex for a month? So basically, if you are a guy for a month.
First thing first, मैं घर में खाली boxers पहन के घूमूंगी.
That's
Because it's too much of ventilation which we are not found with. So that's one. The second thing would be I would actually have a nice Tinder bio.
Wouldn't you like to do makeup and normalize it for men?
Why not?
We need to action.
Yeah, we should. We actually should.
And that's it.
हाँ मतलब वैसे
If I would be a guy for a month, then I would ask him. There is no need to ask for permission only from parents. Then I would roam out the full night, full day, weekend, every day, alternate day. I would go for boys trip for 7 days because they don't need to ask permission. Like, dude, I would every night get down at 9:30 and be with my guy friends for 3 hours.
this is something that even I would like to do.
Okay. So now that you all know that Hinanshi won 3 rounds and
Listen, I just let you win because it's our YouTube page.
yeah, whatever now. But overall YouTube मेरा है. मैं 3 round जीती हूँ और ये 2 round ही जीती है. She has to do a dare. It's a very simple dare. So all you have to do is I'll blindfold you. ठीक है? And you have to act like a monkey for a minute. And monkeys क्या खाते हैं? Banana. So you have to eat 1 banana also. That's easy. One, stop.
Oh.
You all can see she failed the monkey wala dare also because she was not acting like a monkey. It was more like I was acting like a monkey. So apparently she's a failure and a loser from all the way. Sorry to be so mean to you. No offense. Completely offensive ho gaya. Anyways, that's it guys. I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Say bye, monkey. Bye.